Snowpocalypse 2011.
Good evening. Welcome to WRCC SMNN, or Westridge Community Church Student Ministries News Network. We are here today with a very important weather report. Now for more, we go to Adam, live from the blizzard.
Hi, this is Adam. I'm out here reporting in the weather. It's actually really bad. I think there's like 17 feet of snow, and it's really cold. I'm going to just walk out here really quick just so you can kind of see how bad it is. If you look over here, it snows ridiculous. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to go in. This is actually a little too... excuse me! The humanity of it all! Back to you!
Wow, that weather looks pretty rough out there. For more, let's go to our very special correspondent, Max Gensler.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, this is Max. Cold gets, because it's cold. Now, I don't think we're having groups tonight. It's kind of blizzardy out today, and yeah, so be careful in it. And there it goes. I'm gonna go lick on this a little bit. See you guys later.
Thank you, Max. That was great. Wait, this just in. We've received word from a very reliable source inside Summit Youth Ministries that we will indeed be canceling youth group on Wednesday night due to blizzard-like conditions. It is imperative that you spread the word, and I'm told that if you have any questions, you can contact Adam at westridgechurch.net. Thank you, and stay warm out there.
Snowpocalypse 2011.